Hello and welcome to week 5. In this class, we'll be covering analytics and collaboration-based growth. By now, you should have shared your Couro post with us. Congrats! You're well on your way to getting your first paying subscriber. In this course, we're focusing on analytics-based growth because it allows you to learn from your actual audience and personally scale results. Understanding your analytics gives you direct insight into what your audience cares about most. It strengthens your brand communication and helps you develop your personal voice as you take note of the posts they've engaged with most. And it allows you to increase your customer acquisition rate consistently. How did your post perform where you asked people to save your post in the comments? Were there more saves? How did your video perform where you talked about your niche, but maybe in a more funny video on the subject? Were there more sends on the post? How long has your post been live? Was your face visible, and did you have stronger introductions in the videos that got more engagement? Trying to make sense of our recent posts allows us to make sure we're offering enough value in the negotiation and decision phase to build trust with our audience and eventually make a sale as we ask them to subscribe in our videos and captions and drive them to our page through our link in bio. The following list includes all the metrics you could consider as you determine how your content performed. You could analyze your content views and reach to see how many people the algorithm showed your content to. A growing number over recent posts on Instagram means the algorithm is noticing people enjoy watching your videos, while a decreasing number means your videos are losing traction. Profile visits let you know how many people saw your content and were curious to learn more about you as a person or were directed to click on your website. Looking at the number of website taps over the number of profile visits over the overall reach, especially on posts where you ask people to click on your website, will give you a better idea of your current customer acquisition funnel size. Next, saves, shares, likes, and comments will tell you how engaging your content was. Again, take note of the CTAs you used in each post and see if your metrics reflected that. Then, of course, follows will tell you how your audience is growing over time. And you may want to look at business address taps, call button taps, email button taps, video views, or overall post interactions. Focus on likes, impressions, reach, saves, shares, and comments, and then followers, profile views, website taps, and subscriptions. This will help you create stronger content over time, enabling you to drive conversions. And finally, I want to touch on another way that you can get your audience to grow quickly. Collaboration-based growth. In collaboration-based growth, you collaborate with other accounts as a way to tap into their existing audiences. You could do that by starting a branded sports challenge and asking other users to post themselves participating. Their video post would be considered UGC, or user-generated content that amplifies your brand. You could try working with a sponsor or collaborate with a company to create sponsored content, use affiliate links, or create collaboration posts. Just make sure to ask the collaborating company to repost any of these posts so their audience will find you as well. And you can also experiment with the brand ambassadorship program, contests, and giveaways, asking people to participate, comment on videos, or subscribe to your Couro account for the opportunity to be rewarded. Any of these strategies will give you access to greater existing communities, so try to find a collaborator with followers already in your niche. So for your homework, we'll ask you to pick one of your social media channels and analyze your analytics. What time frame did you consider? Which metrics did you identify? And what about the content in your post made you choose those metrics? Did you notice any trends in your data? And what does this tell you? Then write 3 things you can do to improve your content strategy over time. I'll see you in week 6.